एक अर्जेंट रिक्वायरमेंट है, पाकिस्तान से बाइक राइडर चाहिए डिलीवरी के लिए, जो कि दुबई की एक मशहूर कंपनी है टैक्सी कंपनी प्रोजेक्ट के लिए। सिर्फ पाकिस्तान से ही बंदे चाहिए। जो लोग इधर विज़िट वीज़ा पे या कैंसिल वीज़ा पे हैं उनके लिए ये अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं है। उम्मीदवार के पास पाकिस्तानी बाइक लाइसेंस होना चाहिए जो कि 3 से 5 साल पुराना हो, या कि दुबई का अगर लाइसेंस है तो वो बिल्कुल बेस्ट है। और तालीम मैट्रिक या इंटरमीडिएट होनी चाहिए और बुनियादी अंग्रेज़ी जानता हो, जैसे यस नो हेलो हाय, वो इतना मैटर नहीं है। उम्र की जो हद है वो 22 से 35 ईयर तक है। उम्र की हद 22 से 35 साल तक है। अगर आप दिलचस्पी रखते हैं तो ये व्हाट्सअप नंबर दिया हुआ है, आप इस पर कॉन्टैक्ट कर सकते हैं मज़ीद मालूमात के लिए। पाकिस्तानी मोटरसाइकिल बाइक राइडर डायरेक्ट हायरिंग फ्राम पाकिस्तान, लुकिंग फॉर बाइक राइडर्स फ्राम पाकिस्तान फॉर फेमस टैक्सी कंपनी प्रोजेक्ट। कैंडिडेट मस्ट होल्ड पाकिस्तान बाइक लाइसेंस 3 to 5 year old or UAE bike license. Education metric or intermediate, knows basic English. Age limit is 22 to 35 years. Location is Dubai, UAE. Those who are interested, please send message on WhatsApp so I can explain the hiring process. Contact person is Miss Mahnoor. Guys, before switch to the next topic, I just want to share with you very important information. Guys, be serious on this. If you are going to Dubai in visit visa in search of a job, you have to do something before departure. Before flying from your country, you have to do some work. Where you want to go, how you will find a job. I have a complete video you can check in playlist. And also there you can find what documents are required. You have to attest all your documents. Another thing, if you are on cancel visa or you want to change your job, it will also help you to assist you. And the third important thing, CV is very important. If you know how to make or change CV in mobile phone, it's very well. If you don't know, you can watch a video, complete video, and within 10 to 15 minutes you can make a professional CV in your mobile phone just now. The basic thing is that if you are going to apply for a call center job and you are trying to find, you tried your best, but unluckily you did not find the same job, but you found an customer service job. This is closely related to the call center. But now you have to change your CV. The remaining CV will be the same, just experience in and description, and the other things, skills you have to change. You have to change your skills from call center to customer service. If you don't know how to change in mobile phone, then it will problem for you. You do not need to waste your money either in typing center or computer shop. Just go there and please change my this CV like this. This is a first example, but you have to change your CV many times. So you can watch a video and you can change everything in your mobile free of cost. Another thing, how to search a job. I have a complete video and playlist, you can watch there. And daily update about new jobs, I am posting jobs. So you have to subscribe this channel so you will get daily notification and you can apply for your desired job. So make sure just now you subscribe my channel, because later you will forget it. This is the most important thing. Just click on subscribe and press the bell icon. And I also created a playlist for your assist. You can watch all the video related to the job post. Thank you.